Facebook if you want to, but anyways, let's go check. It's a packet. Can somebody hold the door for me?
Yeah. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
Do you know today we are making one video?
Yes, because of that in front of me.
So you have big surprise.
Well,
let's see outside. Let's go.
I don't know what that is, but I guess we could go check.
What do you think?
I thought this video would be like painting or anything, but yeah.
Okay.
Also, go follow us on Facebook if you want to, but anyways, let's go check. It's a packet. Can somebody hold the door for me?
Yeah.
Okay.
From what? From
It's from New York.
New York?
Yeah.
Who is living in New York?
Wait, one of my mama and Mami and two cousins.
It's from New York.
Yeah.
From your mom. Let's see what's inside.
Yeah.
Okay.
There was this big moose. He liked to drink a lot of juice.
Let's see. Go ahead.
Oh, how surprised! The scissors are already here.
Yeah.
I guess I'm
Sit
gonna
down.
sit down here.
Okay.
Magical scissors appears on here. I hope there's not a living dude in the attic. Or even if we had an attic, because my parents would have known if we had a, but it's still closed.
Oh.
Why did you put the scissors away? Anyways, let's see what's inside.
We'll open.
That's kinda.
This one you're going to open later, okay?
Okay,
Can
but
you read?
Nubaid from. Wait.
Radifa.
Radifa and
Raifa.
Raifa.
Okay. Radifa Apu and Raifa, okay?
Okay.
Oh, so nice.
Wow. Adidas. I love me some Adidas.
Okay, let's see. I have it's amazing, man.
Yeah.
Nubaid, look. We get another one collection, right?
Yeah.
So thank you, Mama, Mami.
Thank you, Mama and Mommy.
And
Wait, guys, what?
I get another one.
Yeah.
2.
We love
I like it,
matching.
Nubaid.
I am matching.
I like this part. And another. You get 2. Okay.
Oh, this is for my mom.
It's for your mama.
It's a
Did the
dress.
matching for this one?
No. But it's okay. It doesn't matter.
Nice color, right?
Yeah, it doesn't matter about if you're matching.
It's nice color. Okay.
Wait, this is the
Oh, it's big.
Wait, which one do we open first? This one or this one?
I think this one. What is this?
From
Like
anything.
too much.
Let's first open that one because I think.
Okay, you can open this one first. Then.
Okay, I don't know what's inside this.
What do you think? Very another Eid. It's called Eid. Okay.
I'm just gonna think anything. I'm like feeling like a paper firework is in here, cause in New York. It's New York,
They
guys.
give us the gift and money. It's too much to buy it.
Yeah, it's too much. That's why I said open this first.
Oh man. So anyway, thank you, Mama, Mami again.
Thank you,
and
Mommy.
Radifa.
Yeah, but let's.
This one is only for you. You can open this one.
Okay. I'm gonna open it my style.
Your style is not good. You want to rip everything.
But you are doing much more.
I'm doing nice way. Oh. Can you close your eye? Close,
I
close, close.
saw something blue.
But can you close your eyes?
Okay.
Don't cheat, okay?
Oh,
Open.
it feels like a balloon.
Can you open?
Oh. Wow! It's a dinosaur! That with a robot?
Oh.
Wow. Guys, do you know it's 3 plus and I'm more than 3, so it's good for me. Guys, it could turn into a dinosaur. You know that my mama, mommy, and Kalus, they gave, and cousins, they gave me some Punjabis. So I'll wear them. So also, thank you and also guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, click the like button. Bye bye.
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.